Hey, and welcome to day one of the MailChimp Masterclass with the WordPress Workspace. My name is Nicola, and I'm going to be guiding you through this masterclass. Over the course of the next 5 days, you're going to learn how to set up a MailChimp account, how to create a list, how to brand that list, how to add it to your website, and finally, how to send out your very first email newsletter. So today we're going to keep it super simple and sign up for a MailChimp account. So we're going to head to MailChimp.com and click on the sign up free button at the top here. We're then going to pop in our email address, a username, and a password. So email address, and you can either use a unique username or your email address. I prefer to just use my email address. Keeps it simple. That means you don't have to remember a username. And then pop in a password that, of course, is both secure and easy for you to remember. Once you've done that, scroll down a little bit and click Get Started. Okay, and you'll get this screen that says check your email. So you're going to pop on over to your email address, open it up, and click the Activate button. So let's head on over to our emails and see what that looks like. We're in our email addresses, and as you can see, I've received an email from MailChimp that says activate your MailChimp account. So let's have a click on that. And it says we are glad you're here. And then we're going to click on the blue button that says activate account. Okay, and now it's going to ask you to confirm if you're human. So we're going to go ahead and confirm that by clicking on the I'm not a robot button. Okay, and now we are going to walk through the steps, the next 5 steps that go through this. So we're going to pop in our first name, our last name, click continue, and we're going to write in our business details and our web address and click continue. And of course, just for anti-spam laws and everything, you do need to put in your address. So I'm just going to put in that, click continue. And the second last question is, does your business sell anything? And no, at the moment, no, it's not selling anything. And we're going to click continue. And you can connect your MailChimp to your social media to share your campaigns. So you can link your Facebook or your Twitter at this point. One thing I do want you to note is if during any of these stages you made a mistake, don't worry, you can go back to the settings in MailChimp and make changes. So once we're done, we're just going to click continue. Okay, and on this page it's just asking us if we would like to subscribe to their newsletters. At the moment, no thanks, so I'm not going to tick any of their boxes, and I'm just going to click let's go. And woohoo, there we go. Our MailChimp account has been created. So that's it for today. Simple, easy, quick. Took us 5 minutes to do that. Tomorrow we're going to check in and we are going to create a list. So we will see you tomorrow.